So this question is asked in EC and mechanical paper. A wire of length 340 mm is to be cut into two parts. One of the part is to be made into a square and the other into rectangle, where sides are in the ratio 1:2. What is the length of the side of the square such that the combined area of the square and the rectangle is minimum? So what they want, the combined area should be minimum. So this is my square, this is my rectangle. People will think, okay, start calculation and blah blah blah. Don't do it. I have a shortcut for you. So what you have to do, you have to look at the options. So when you look at the options, if you take this option C as 120 for example, so 120 side of square, so the perimeter will be 480, 120 to 4, which is not possible because total length is 340. So these two cannot be the answer. Now you have 30 and 40 left. So now you can find out the areas of both the things in these two cases and find out which is the minimum. So here you will find that 40 is the correct answer. So what we have done, we have reduced the calculation time by eliminating the options. Okay, thank you.